Okay, let's go ahead and talk about this 8-piece X-Wing Forstner bit set from Ryobi. These are very, very well made. They come with 8 different drill bits ranging from 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 3/8 inch. So they're very, very large in terms of what you get, which you need because of the type of drilling you'll be doing with a Forstner bit. They have this X-Wing design that you can kind of see. It looks like an X, obviously, perhaps named after the Star Wars theme there. In terms of the way that they work, these are very, very durable and very, very heavy duty. So I think that one thing that stands out, a lot of them are made that way, but these also fit into that. Now, if you're not familiar with Forstner bit, it's basically like a specialized bit, and it's designed for boring precise flat-bottomed holes in wood. It was actually invented by Benjamin Forster in the 1800s. And so let's say that I wanted to attach this dowel into this wood. I want to attach it in there. I don't want to drill a hole that goes all the way through this wood. I just want to drill a hole that goes into the wood that would allow me to attach this or mount this inside of this. That's where you would use a Forstner drill bit. And again, what's so great about these is they have this sharp point. Let's see if I can get it in focus here for you. There it is. So they have this sharp point, sort of. There you go. Sharp point there that's going to allow it to take into the wood and not bounce around. And then once it gets, the 1/8 of an inch or so through that, it starts actually giving you the wide circular radius hole. So that's these in a nutshell. Love them. Been using them for a while, and they're very, very durable.